This is when they crack heads now. Watch. This is when they crack heads. Boom. There you go. There's one.
You gotta let go, Nick. That's it. No, there you go.
Oh my goodness. It's too much. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what's he gonna do? He jumps down the side.
I saw that.
You don't want to leave, right?
I know your name is
Yeah, tell him J-A-C-K.
Happy Halloween.
How's he brush his teeth?
Easy Jacks. Mr. Howell.
It's done. The Jets won, man.
Whatever.
I know.
That's it. The stress is over for my fantasy. I mean, not my fan. The knockout.
Come on, go down the slide.
Oh, there's a candy bag. I lost it. That's my candy bag.
What is he doing right now? Want to put him back on top?